Hi, welcome to a use case demo of Manaflow. Today we will be watermarking videos and sending them to clients. So I can see here there is a spreadsheet interface. We call this the Mana sheet. It's similar to a spreadsheet as you can add a new row, you can type in your columns, and then you can also delete them using this interface. So let's actually make a new row. You can press this form, and I'm going to write Austin as my client name. I'm going to write Austin at manaflow.ai for the client email. And then for the video URL, I'm going to grab it from over here. We're going to make this a link, and I'm going to paste it in here. And create row. And as you can see, we create a new row. But actually, I don't really like this. I'm going to put my full name. Okay, sounds good. So there's actually another way to do this. You could make this a form and send this link out to anyone so they can fill out this form. Cool. So let's get started. Let's press execute and see what happens. So the cool thing about this manage sheet is that the columns actually define the instructions and the rows are agents working on the task. So you can think of client name, this instruction, it's an input column, and then all the way to video URL, which is also input, and then you have the final watermark video URL. To get that output, you need to undergo these set of instructions, and then you need to undergo this set of dependencies, and it's able to figure out how to do this workflow from just the column instructions. So as you can see here, it's currently loading. It's at the step of final watermark video, and as you can see here, we can actually view the cell run after you execute it. So if you press video cell run, it'll go into the notebook where you can actually watch it run. So currently it's in the step of converting to MP4 and adding watermark. That's pretty cool. You can check our code if you want to. If you're not technical, that's fine. Don't need to really look at that. You can just watch this progress bar as it goes. And yeah, there's ability for you to save instructions. So if you decide to add a new column or new row or anything, and you want to change the dependencies, or whether it's input or optional or an output, you can do that. And yeah, so this is essentially how this works, and you can basically send the form out to anyone and they can fill out this form. They don't have to see this sheet at all, so it's good for outsourcing if you have any sort of input things. Yeah, so as you can see here, the final watermark video column has been updated with this link, and then now it's working on the emailed column. So if you wanted to, you could view the cell run, or it's already finished. So actually what we're going to do is we're going to go back and check my email. Cool, I got an email. Appreciate you working with this. Here's the final video. And then if you wanted to work with us here, got it. So let's take a look at this. So as you can see here, there's a Manaflow watermark here.
Keep going.
And then as you can see here, it's there for the whole video. And as you can see, the original video here did not have that watermark. So clearly the watermark has worked, and that means I will audit. This is an optional column. And yeah, that wraps up our watermark workflow. Thanks for watching.